My name is Santosh Sinha. I am a physics teacher. Today my topic is electric potential at any general point of a dipole. This is of class 12. So here the figure, there are two charges minus q and plus q are separated by distance 2a. So we have to find the electric potential at any general point P. So the distance from minus charge to R1 and this is equal to plus charge that is equal to R2. This is the resultant from the midpoint that is equal to R. So net potential that is given as P that is equal to V is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 is equal to potential that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q charge that is divided by R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R2. So taking common Q by 4 pi epsilon naught that is equal to minus R1 plus R2. So here Q by 4 pi epsilon naught taking LCM, so that is equal to minus R2 plus R1. So therefore P is equal to Q divided 4 pi epsilon naught R1 minus R2 divided by R1 R2. This is equation 1. Considering equation later, angle CAB that is equal to theta. So cos theta that is equal to B by H. So that is equal to R1 minus R2 divided by AB. So therefore R1 minus R2 is equal to AB cos theta. AB that has a value 2A. So that is equal to 2A cos theta equation 2. Here, if the point P lies away from the dipole, therefore R1 R2 that is equal to equivalent R square. So putting the value R1 and R1 R2 in equation 1 we get V is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 2A cos theta divided by R square. So potential at any general point is given as V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square, where P is the dipole moment that is equal to 2AQ. For the short dipole, so that is equal to special case in the vector form that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P vector that into R unit vector that is R square. A special axial point theta is equal to 0, 180 degree. So V is equal to plus minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. For equatorial point theta is equal to 90 degrees, so potential is equal to 0. So this is all about the electric potential at any general point. Take a screenshot. Thank you.